Everyone, we are going to demonstrate in this video how to download and install Zoom Cloud Meeting application. It's very easy. I am going to demonstrate it step by step in a simplest way para makatabang po ta sa atong mga co-teachers who desire to know how to download and install Zoom Cloud Meeting application.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and write your comment for this YouTube channel of Sir Marwan. Goodbye.
Okay, if ever the school head wants to conduct a teleconferencing among their co-teachers in the school and using Zoom, so it is easy for them and it is comfortable for them to use because they have already installed their Zoom at their cell phone. So sa cell phone, you can use Samsung, Cloud, or any Vivo, or as long as it is Android. Okay, so kung ato puta sa iPhone, Apple, so napo na siya yahan. Wait, this video is only for Android, no? Android. So first step, it's very easy. You need to look for Play Store. Okay, so we have here a lot in this window. We have a lot of application, but look for a Play Store. Wala man. So next, we have here a Play Store. Okay, if you can see the Play Store in your cell phone, it's a triangle form na nasa mga different color. Click that one. Okay, I will click my Play Store. Okay, muna siya makita na to, Google Play. So our Play Store is part of Google Play. Above, we have there a long rectangle. If you are already signed in a Google, makita nimo diya sa right upper side your profile picture. In that side, in that rectangle, we have there search for application in our Google Store. So i-click niyo muna. Okay, you can type Zoom, Z-O-O-M, then it appears. We have there Zoom Cloud Meeting free download, Zoom Mirang, Zoom Meeting app free, okay, Zoom Hub. So we need to make sure that this Zoom Cloud Meeting free download are we going to click. Okay, so click niyo muna ng Zoom Cloud Meeting free download. Okay, so muna siya ito makita. It's ready for installation. Makita niyo diya Zoom Cloud Meeting ... Then we have the green one installed. Then the left side we have the video image, blue color. So muna siya logo sa Zoom Cloud Meeting application. So in this part, you are going to click the install. Okay, you want to download and install your Zoom Cloud Meeting application. Okay, at to install. Just wait for a minute. Okay, gaan ra ni siya. We have only 4.8 megabytes. Kita niyo ang left side, the logo of Zoom Cloud ay green, a circle green. Kung full na siya green yung circle, meaning it is finished downloading. And after that, mag-install na siya. Self-installation na siya. Di kaganahan, you can cancel, in the right side there, natay the rectangle nga cancel. If you can see a small check there, meaning that is already downloading your application. Now, we have the installing. So, nagtuyok-tuyok na po itong circle sa logo of Zoom Cloud, meaning nag-install siya. After that, if it is finished, makita na to na siya logo, na siya lalong Zoom. Okay, from Google Play Store. So, na-they check sa green one, installation is completed. Yay! Very good. So, naanatay Zoom application in our cell phone. Okay? We will check that later sa mga different application in our cell phone, sa Windows na to. Kung naabay yun yung logo nga Zoom blue dayon na siya image nga video na siya zoom. But here we have two choices, whether if we will open the application, Zoom Cloud Meeting application, or we just click the finish. Wala ni siya dayon mobalik ta sa atong Windows originally sa atong cellphone. But if we want to be curious, ato i-try to open. Okay, we have the Zoom. Okay, so this is a signal nga we are already opening our Zoom. So meaning you have already an application. I will not tackle this because in the next video I am also going to demonstrate how to start the meeting in our Zoom Cloud Meeting application. So diri lang ta kutob, diri lang ta kutob because we will make another video for how to join a meeting or how to make a meeting using Zoom Cloud Meeting application. Okay, let's go back to our cell phone. Let's check kung if we are successful downloading and installing our Zoom Cloud Meeting application. Very easy. Okay, just go back there. Okay, and look for the logo of Zoom. Sa logo sa Zoom, the blue, and there is an image of a video. Where is it? Okay, nalahi siya. So kung malahi siya, you transfer that kuyog sa together with the other application. Long press na mo siya, na siya gamay ng arrow, dan sa kilid o ganahan ka diri. Okay, so naano siya. So you have already the Zoom application, the blue one, and the image is the camera. Okay, that's all. I hope you learned something from this video, and I want you to react. If you have some questions, I want you to make comment, or if you like this video, just react like or heart. Thank you and have a good day.